important part of any contract that requires performance is remedies. I mean, what will happen if the other party doesn't comply, doesn't perform? Do you get your money back? Do you get a proportional amount of your money back? Do you get to sue for damages? Are there limits to the damages? These are things that you will want to think through. Take an example. You invest a lot of money in equipment that's being used for a particular manufacturing process, equipment that the vendor has specified and chosen, and it doesn't work. Well, you want to have some remedy to get at least part of the money that you spent to get the equipment that doesn't work. And thinking through things that are bad that can happen and what your remedy is ahead of time will save you a lot of headaches if it actually occurs.